Hello scholars, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the evaluation sheet activity. So for your evaluation activity, you're going to be looking at 4 search engines and you're going to be seeing how the results change. So for example, if it looks here, it says Google, so I would go to Google. And it wants me to put in these terms. If there's a quotation or a capital letter, you need to type it the way it looks. So I would type that in, affects us smoking, with the quotation and the capital. And I would put enter. When I do that, I get a number that shows up here. This number is the number you're going to put in this part, just that number. Now, without deleting what you've already typed in the search engine, you would add this information, Baltimore City, with quotations. So I would put that in next. Baltimore City. And I would put enter. And you should see that your results change. Hopefully, your results are getting lower. Sometimes they get higher based on what you type. So you would go through that and type all these searches in the search engine. Then you would do the exact same thing with a different search engine and see if you get the same results. When you've looked at all 4, you're going to select one that you want to use, and you would type in the exact same information, but this time, whatever 4 websites that come up, the top 4 websites that come up after you put this search information, you're going to evaluate them to see if they're reliable websites. So after I type this information into whatever search engine I have decided to choose, I would put my name here, put the name of the website so I can identify it, and you're going to go through this checklist to see how accurate and valid this particular website is. When you're done that one sheet, you'll see that there's a checklist at the end. You're going to go through and see how you answered it, and you're going to add 1 point if you answered yes, or 0 if you answered something different than what it says here. So 1 if you meet the criteria, 0 if it doesn't. Now, remember, you are not grading yourself, you're grading the website. So if the website scores low, that means it's not a very reliable website. It not indicates your grade. So then I would do the exact same thing again. I would take the second website, I would evaluate it, and I would see how it scored. You would complete this worksheet, scan it, and submit it to Blackboard for points.